Hey guys, in this video we will discuss regarding how to become a lawyer in India. So first thing is choose any stream after 10th. There is no specific stream required to pursue a degree in law, and students from all streams can go for this career. Generally students who want to pursue law right after their 12th take up the humanities or commerce stream, but even if you are science stream then also you can okay, some of the popular subject for studying law are political science, legal studies, economics, history and psychology. These subjects are recommended because they help form a base for the subjects taught in law schools, and some of are beneficial, providing an insight to students about legal system of our career country. And the second step is pursue a bachelor's degree in LLB. Okay, so the next step in your journey is becoming a lawyer is to pursue a graduate degree in law. You can pursue this right after class 12th or even after your graduation in any other subject also. Okay, so pursuing route one is pursuing the law after class 12 5-year LLB program. If you're determined to pursue a career in law, you should enroll yourself into a 5-year integrated LLB program, teach you basic graduation subjects. Okay, with most common courses combinations offered being BA LLB honors, BSc LLB, BBA LLB and BCom. So the benefits of a 5-year programs are that you get an exposure to law subjects early on your graduation, giving you greater insights into uh, what you want to do. Okay, so top institutes for 5-year law programs is National School of India, Law School of India, University Bangalore, Nalsar University of India, Hyderabad, West Bengal, National University of Judicial Sciences, Kolkata, National Law University, New Delhi, National Law University, Jodhpur, National Law University, Bhopal. Okay, the Gujarat National Law University and Gandhinagar, Jindal Global School, Sonipat Symbiosis Law School, Pune. Okay, so these are some of the key entrance examinations. Are there are many entrance CLAT is there. Okay, CLAT is a 2-hour based computer based standardized test for to 18 law universities in India. It covers objective type questions relating with elementary mathematics, English with comprehension, general knowledge, current affairs, legal aptitude and logical reasoning. And all India law entrance test is also there, which is conducted by National Law University, providing admission to BLLB honors, includes general sections like English, general knowledge, legal aptitude test, reasoning and numerical ability. There is law school admission test LSAT also, and symbiosis entrance test. So there are, or you can pursue law after graduation like a 3-year LLB program also. There are times when students do graduation in some other subject but realize they want to take up law as a career. So in such a case you can still go to pursue a degree in law through a 3-year LLB course right after your graduation. The only difference between 3-year and 5-year LLB is that in the former you only study core law subjects, while the later also teaches basic subjects of graduation along with the core subjects of law. Okay, so top 3 institutes for top institute for 3-year LLB program are Faculty of Law, okay, University of Delhi, New Delhi, Jindal Global School, OP Jindal Global University, New Delhi, Faculty of Law, Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi, Government Law College, Mumbai, ILS Law College, Pune. Okay, and Faculty of Law, University of Delhi and some of the Delhi colleges we will discuss in other video also. So this was hopefully the students who aspire to become a lawyer will be helpful to them.